Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to add subdomain in Squarespace. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Squarespace website, and on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing your profile icon. Simply click on it, and under account dashboard simply click on option that says domains. Now once you're inside the domains, here under domains you'll be finding an option that says transfer a domain. Now on clicking this or tapping this, you'll be able to add a subdomain in Squarespace. So simply click on transfer a domain, and now you'll be redirected to the Squarespace domains. Now all you gotta do is just enter in the domain that you have and then click on enter. And once you do that, here you'll be transferred, and now you'll be asked to enter the authorization code. Now all you gotta do is enter in the authorization code and then click on save and continue. And once you do that, here you'll be sent to your order summary. Now all you gotta do is check all your details and fill in the informations like your addresses, city, state, postal code, etc. And once you do that, click on save and continue. And once that's done, subdomain will be added in your Squarespace, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.